ka nakakain. Okay. Okay. So everyone, let's sing a happy birthday in advance for the advanced birthday celebration of our reigning queen, Miss 17 2025, Kayla Sororo. So let's sing everyone a happy birthday for Kayla. Okay, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Wait in the sound, say no? Wait in the sound. The sound.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Thea. Palakpakan natin si Ate Thea. Very good. And hopefully they will join to our more celebration for the coming year. Blow the candle now and make a wish. Palakpakan! Happy birthday again! Okay, everyone, just take your merienda now. Congratulations, and the video is now open for you to sing along. Ay, ka-picture na nakita everyone! Kaya ka na mag-big. Ka-picture na nila mo sa tubang na hinawa ay ako ka-picture with you all. Okay, so the picture is now with every family picture, everyone group picture. Para sa ating next family reunion ng background. Yes. Everyone, please go picture ni Tanay. Guys, go picture ni Tanay.